Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori, and I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today that I'm excited to share. I found some very fun things. So let's get started. And in no particular order, I picked up, I'll show you these. I picked up just some regular lead pencils. I took one out, but I realized I don't have a pencil sharpener. For my pottery class, I want to be able to draw out a design to paint. And I bought some mechanical pencils, but they're not working because they are too sharp. I need a little more dull edge. So I bought just some mechanical pencils. I assume when summer gets here and we're starting back to school, I can find some Ticonderogas, but for now, I got those. I'm gonna open these, so let's wait till the end for that. I grabbed a 2-pack of these. You put them in your microwave and they're supposed to work. I know I've hauled them before. I didn't use them yet. I took them to my brother's apartment for when I go clean it. But I want to use some for mine. And I think it might help sanitize too. I don't really use my microwave that much, but it says pour 1 sachet into the tray, microwave for 2 minutes. Do not allow all liquid to evaporate. Wipe away residue with a sponge. Wipe once more with a clean cloth. So there must be some type of cleaning product that gets in there and it helps you. And we need that, right? We all need help. I got some tissues for maybe crafting, but also for wrapping presents. I just like this one, this one a lot with the ombre. And this one here, you get the 2. I thought they were fun. I do have gifts to wrap, but also I just haven't had time to do any crafting lately. I found them, another set of Bob Ross socks. I like the short ones, especially for summer, but he's on both socks. I love them. This one is my favorite. I don't think his hair is textured. It's not, but this one, I love these. I may save them for vacation. I mean, save them, they're socks. Let me just get this stuff out of this bag because it seems like it's getting ready to fall. Okay. I'll work on the pencils and putting all this stuff away. Okay. I grab these pretty regularly. They're 20 baggies and they have the zip top. When I sell stuff on Etsy, I usually put them in here, or gifts for when I go to my retreats and stuff. I use these baggies. So I grab them. This time there was just the one, so I picked it up. I don't like to run out. These are very interesting to me, and I want to try them. So these are eyelid cleansing wipes. I actually, from my eye doctor, was told to use these products. I get like dry skin and it builds up on my eyelashes and I end up with styes. But these are ocular wipes, and the regular brand of them is expensive. I mean, a box is like $20, but, and I'm supposed to use them every day. So what I did is I switched over to the foam that I use in the shower, which is great. But for vacation, when I'm gone for 12 days, I can throw a box of these in and they're individually packaged. So I don't have to bring the foam, the extra liquid. These are not considered liquid, but I'll just put them in my luggage. And you just wipe your eyelids with it and it helps dissolve the buildup that I get. So I was kind of excited. We'll see if they work. So I grabbed 2 boxes. I only saw them one time, but that's a month's worth for $2.50. Better than $26 for 1 month. Also for vacation, I grabbed this. It's just an eyeglass case. And to be fair, I don't wear sunglasses because my prescriptions, these turn into sunglasses. They're transition lenses. And because my glasses are so expensive, I don't also purchase prescription sunglasses. I just actually went and ordered. I went and got my eyes checked and I just ordered a new pair of glasses. And they were $400, and that's with my insurance, $433. But I thought sliding my, who's back there, kitty? Sliding pens in here. And with my notebooks in my backpack when I travel is helpful because I'm always looking for one of my pens. I love writing lists when I'm traveling. And I was like, well, I can stick in this some pens down in here and then just slide it in my backpack. So keeps them together. I could even put a little snap if I wanted, but I think this is fine to just slide down in there. And then sometimes I like to write with like colored pens, so I could just put a few and put it in with my notebook. So I thought that was a nice little handy thing. Speaking of crafting, I know this is not new, but I've never seen it at my stores. It is a water paintbrush and water holder. I know, we're gonna look at this. So, I can tell you, it is silicone on the bottom, so it's gonna sit with a nice like wide base. So it'll sit on your table, you put your water in here, and then your paintbrushes, you can slide them in here and they'll stand upright while you're painting. And then you can just wash this out. I thought that was fantastic. And then when it's not in use, it just collapses right down, right? For storage. I thought that was fantastic and I very much enjoy this. I like it a lot for spring. It came in pink, this green, and maybe a purple. Do we need a thumbnail? Maybe, I don't know. So I grabbed that. I'm drinking water today. I went to Dunkin' after my eye appointment to get an iced coffee, not Dunkin', McDonald's, to get an iced coffee, and it didn't go well. The young girl that was asking, I said, large iced coffee, cream, and extra ice. So they put extra cream and extra ice, so it was like white. And then she said, well, do you want the syrup? And I said, no, it's sugared. And she said, okay. And then they put the syrup in it. So I couldn't drink it. All right, I got these storage containers. So this one is long. And this one is short. And we're going to open this one. I don't like the, these scissors don't cut plastic well. I'm gonna open this one. The reason I'm excited is it's not fabric. It's like plastic. If you ever had an IKEA bag, that's what it feels like. Or one of the Dollar Tree tarps. It feels like that. This thing is big. And what I'm thinking is blankets, sheets, like my winter stuff, can be stored in here. Or for me, I was probably gonna put like some of the sweatshirts and things that I want to keep that don't fit me anymore. So it's going to be this deep. These are nice. And the other one, I assume, I can open it, is longer and thin. Is what it looks like. I've only ever seen these at one of my stores. Yeah, so it's longer and thinner. For under your bed. Oh my goodness. Think fabric. If you're a crafter, oh, these would be perfect to store fabric in. But also like tablecloths and linens for the holidays that we all like to have. But maybe you don't have anywhere to put them. And they have a zipper. Excited for those. Okay. I'm getting another bag. I was like, what is that? I got the little paint palettes, but I already took it to pottery. I needed to wrap some presents, and I don't know where my tape is. I might have used it all at Christmas. Who knows? But I just needed some tape. I got this to make my... okay, so I'm going to Canada next week for a cross-stitch retreat, but I'm also going on my cruise the month after that. And this is perfect size for me to make my iced coffee in and then store it in my refrigerator. Or I ordered on the Royal Caribbean site sent to my room a cooler bag. And it also has well, I'm also getting some truly hard seltzer, but I could, when we get off ship, I have one whole day where we're going on a boat ride, and I could put iced coffee in here and throw it in a bag with ice. So I grabbed this because then I can just throw it away if I need to. I mean, I can bring it home too, but maybe I will, maybe I won't. I found the Disney sponges. These are going to be perfect for bathroom cleaning. We got Minnie and the black and white Mickey. They only had a couple left. Non-abrasive, safe for all surfaces. It's just a sponge. There's no like scratchy side to it. But I thought they would be fun. And let's see. Oh, I grabbed one more medicated patch to try and then decide which ones I want to pack with me. I will probably bring these next weekend in my car because I'll be riding for 7 hours there and 7 hours back. And if I'm ever going to get a backache, it might be then. Or sitting in a banquet chair for hours on end. So I'm going to bring these with me, this pack. And it comes with 2. So we'll try this one. And then just some gift bags for gift wrapping. These need to get put away. All this stuff needs to be put away. Oh. I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this on vacation. In my hotel room in Canada, I have a refrigerator. So I can make my iced coffee the night before and put it in the refrigerator with that. So that's perfect. And this is going to Canada in my car ride. Also for my ride home, I mean, obviously, there's a Tim Hortons in the parking lot of our hotel. It's not like I'm lacking in coffee. Because I am not. But you never know. Oh, this is not drink mix. This is real lemon. It's just crystallized lemon. I like this in the summer in my water. Also, if I'm cooking something and it calls for a lemon, I can throw some of this in there and it's just crystallized lemon juice. And it doesn't go bad. So, and you get 12 packets. And then I got 2 things of blue raspberry to try. Icy brand, which you get 6. And the Starburst, you also get 6. I remember we used to get 12. But that's okay. Summer's here and I'm a water drinker now. Ooh, I found more floss picks. I tried these. I tried the watermelon. I don't taste anything. I mean, they vaguely smell like watermelon, very light watermelon, but they're still a floss pick and they worked. So I tried these and these will go in my bathroom or in my, one of these will probably, how many get in here? 35, yeah. One of these will end up in my suitcase, in my toiletry bag. Because you got to floss your teeth. And yeah. So I just threw it on the floor. Yeah, one of these will go in my bag. And then the ones I got in the bags, I can just refill in these. Also for my flight to Rome. So my flight from Atlanta to Rome is 9.5 hours. So I grabbed these little Crest, one for each direction. So this one has, they each have 2. And they have a little bit of toothpaste in there, but not, you don't need water. And then on the other end is a flosser. Right? So in the evening before I go to bed, I can use these to brush my teeth. And then when I wake up in the morning or the morning happens, I don't know if I'll be sleeping, but when morning happens, as we'll be landing at 7 a.m. Rome time, which is like 1 o'clock in the morning my time, I can freshen up when we get off the boat or off the airplane. So I grabbed 2, one in my carry-on bag for each direction, just to freshen up. And then I'll probably put a couple flossers in the baggie with these. I usually just, and I'll show you, I'll make a video of what I pack in my backpack for my carry-on, but I'll put a couple in, like one of these and a couple of these in my little toiletry bag with my medicine and like moisturizers and stuff like that. If you don't know, airplanes are very drying, so I always bring moisturizer. And then I found these. I'm obsessed. The store I went to only had 2 left. I liked the purple. It even comes with a little... and if you don't know what this is, it is a drink holder. You put your drink in here. You got your straw. Tighten it up. I just think they're adorable. I don't know what I need them for. And then they had this color and the green camera. I just love this camera. And then this is the, obviously it is a popsicle shake. I don't know, I might have got a broken one. These ones work a little different. The top doesn't screw on, it pushes on. Yeah, okay, it's good. I fixed it. And then you give it a really good squeeze, and then your straw comes off up here. Ooh, let's go that way. How cute is that? I don't know how much they hold. It doesn't, there's no sticker on it. Let's see what this one says. I mean, I'm going to say 12 ounces maybe. So it's a decent amount. If you're going to the beach and you have your adult beverages. I know. How cute are these? Oh my God, this one just kills me. Could even be just decor. It might even be just decor. I don't know. But it's adorable. And I needed it in my life. All right, last bag. Last bag. Ooh, and with the spring and the Mother's Day, I found this beautiful jar. It's like set up like a canning jar, actually. You get your, like a mason jar or a ball canning jar, but it's pink. So I thought that was super cute. I love these. I put things in them and then store it in my refrigerator or not. I don't know. It's pink. It's a glass jar. I just needed it. And just a lighter for candles. And then for my front yard, I have other lights out there. And the Dollar Tree lights work great. These solar lights. But after like a year of sitting out there, the other ones are kind of needing a refresh. So I got these torch air looking ones. They look like torches. I don't honestly know if it's gonna, I don't know. Let me see, hold on. If it, ooh. So it flickers like a flame. I have very large ones outside that I got sent to me a couple years ago that are still going strong. But I like some smaller ones on my walk. And I thought I have my new planter out there, which will get some attention here soon. And then these, I'm just going to stick down in the mulch. But that is lovely. If you have a walkway, these are nice. They have lots of different styles, but I liked the torch style. I might even put them in my back patio. Maybe. We'll see. Or I'll get something different for back there. But these, I mean, the ones I've had outside have lasted well over a year. And there's not been a problem. They light up every night. Yeah. And then don't forget, I've done that before. Check and make sure your spikes are in there. So I grabbed those. And I think that's everything I got this time around at the Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed and you find some of these cool things. Maybe what I can do is put my lemons. I have to get some more, but for now I just got the one. I like lemon in my water. There, and then I just put it in my pantry. And they sell lime too, so I can get a bunch of different flavors and store that. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoy and you're having a fantastic day. And I will talk with you later.